Even though it seems a bit too early for the Moto G7 to be coming around, Motorola might think otherwise as an FCC filing just came in, hinting of a nearing launch. After all, the Moto G6 series have been announced earlier this year. We could also potentially see the next mid-rangers as early as January or February, even before the MWC 2019. It's all speculations for now, and information about the G7 is fairly scarce. In fact, the FCC report doesn't give away anything new as well. It just discloses the model number XT1965-2. According to previous rumors, if they are to be believed, the Moto G7 will be sporting a bigger 6.4-inch display and a generous 3500 mAh battery. Improved camera and more memory are also expected, but it's too early to tell if these reports are legit or not. We just have to wait for more evidence to pile up, and these information have to be taken with a pinch of salt. So that would be it for this video, and with a million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, we would like to say stay tuned for more.